Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will tell you a way to earn extra income. So, most of you don't to be confined in a 9 to 5 job. That 9 to 5 job is tiring as well as boring and also insufficient for you to meet your daily needs. Agreed? So, what do you need to do to break the monotony? Quit the job? Really? But that is not the solution. Because if you do that, how will you meet your daily expenses? And what should be done? The answer to this question is develop a new skill in your free time. And this has been suggested by many famous life coaches and mentors. Now, the question is which skill you should develop. Some say coding, others might say calligraphy, and the list will go on. But how about developing a skill that has been around since the beginning but is neglected? Yes, I'm talking about accountancy. Accountancy is used in every business concern from the beginning, and all the business concerns needs accountancy in day-to-day activities. It is the most important part of a business concern. So, develop accountancy as your additional skill and bring that required change in your life. Now, you will ask why accountancy, and I will give you a lot of reasons for that. The first reason is you don't need any degree or certification for doing it. It is just practiced all the way, and your earning will increase with your experience. Second, it has been around for centuries. As I mentioned, that it has been around since the beginning but has been neglected. You don't need to quit your existing job. You can you can learn accountancy while being on your 9 to 5 job. You don't need to quit your current job. Fourth point, you can develop this skill by learning it for 1 to 3 hours daily. You don't have to spend too much time to learn this skill. 1 or 2 hours in a day would be enough. I told you it is neglected skill, so you won't have much competition in it. You can get clients easily. Sixth point, yes, it is freelancing skill. So you are your own boss. Work anytime and from anywhere. You have all the freedoms you want. There are no working time boundaries. You can work anytime and from anywhere you want. Seventh point, you can learn it for free. That means no prior investment. All you have to do is watch free tutorials on accountancy on our YouTube channel. To learn accountancy, just subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notification of our latest videos. Watch those videos and learn accountancy and start earning from this profession. Another question that will be arising in your mind is after putting hard work and effort, how much we will be able to earn. So, I will say after learning basics, you can start pitching for basic clients, and each client can pay you up to 3,000 or 4,000 per month, which means if you manage to get 5 to 7 clients, you can easily earn up to 20,000 per month. That is for beginners. For experts, these figures can be 10 times even more. Your earning will multiply with the experience. It is one of the most lucrative service you can provide. So, I hope you like the video. Please like our video and share it with your friends so that they can get to know about this skill. They can develop this skill and start earning from this skill.